Did you know that one company is dropping more cash into artificial intelligence than some countries spend on their national defense? That's right. This year alone, Nvidia has thrown a jaw-dropping $40 billion into equity deals across the AI landscape. $40 billion. And we're only partway through the year. This isn't just another tech headline. This is a seismic quake shaking the entire AI ecosystem. Why is Nvidia making these massive bets? And what does it actually mean for the future of technology, businesses, and frankly, for every one of you using a smartphone, a car, or even just browsing the web? If you're as curious as we are about where all this money is going and how it might disrupt, well, everything, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know not just what Nvidia is doing, but also why you should be paying very close attention. If you like breaking news, bold predictions, and practical insights, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get into it. So, what's really going on? Nvidia, the chip giant that powers everything from high-end gaming rigs to supercomputers, isn't just sitting back and enjoying its skyrocketing stock price. Instead, it's doubling and tripling down on the future with a strategy that's as aggressive as it is visionary. In just the first 5 months of 2026, Nvidia has already put its money where its mouth is by committing over $40 billion to equity investments in AI companies. To put that in perspective, that's more than double what it invested in all of last year. This is growth at a scale we rarely see. And if you're thinking, are they really getting a good return on this? Well, Nvidia's stock and influence keep rising, which tells us these bets are anything but reckless. We understand the importance of foundations. At our firm, we see how AI is reshaping industries like construction and engineering every day. Think of Nvidia's strategy like a massive engineering project. You don't build a skyscraper on shifting sand, you anchor it into the bedrock. Nvidia is ensuring they are the bedrock for the entire AI ecosystem. By investing $40 billion, they aren't just buying companies, they're buying the future ground we all walk on. Now let's break down exactly what Nvidia is doing with these billions. This isn't just about buying a stake in one or two hot startups and calling it a day. Nvidia is strategically investing in a wide swath of AI companies, over 24 this year alone, targeting areas like generative AI, cloud providers, and more. Think about companies like Recursal AI, Scale AI, and SoundHound. Some of these names you might know, some you might not. But all of them are working on core AI infrastructure, new models, or applications that could change how work gets done in every industry. Let us give you some examples. Take SoundHound, a voice AI platform. You might find its technology embedded in next-gen smart cars or restaurants. Nvidia didn't just buy shares, it acquired about $3.7 million worth of SoundHound stock and agreed to purchase an additional $16.8 million next year. Why? Because wherever there's a need for advanced, natural-sounding AI voices, Nvidia wants a front-row seat. They want to be the voice of the future. And it's not just flashy startups. The company is sinking resources into the entire AI pipeline, from semiconductors, the brains, to the clouds where algorithms run. They're even investing in tools that help AI make sense of humanity's mountains of data. In doing this, Nvidia is locking up influence and optionality. If an upstart builds the next game-changing model or application, you can be sure Nvidia will have a foot in the door. They've built a hedge against their own obsolescence. Consider the legal sector. As we navigate the complex world of AI ethics and compliance, Nvidia is investing in startups that build the guardrails. They are positioning themselves so that when the next wave of regulation hits, their portfolio companies are the ones providing the solutions. That's foresight. So why now? Why is Nvidia moving so fast, and why with such enormous sums? There's a perfect storm here that we need to analyze. First, demand for large AI models, and the chips they run on has exploded. We've seen breakthroughs in language, vision, and multimodal models. These models can see, hear, and understand the world almost like humans. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the current state of play. Second, competitors are circling. Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are all pouring money into their own AI plays, often using Nvidia hardware. But Nvidia knows that the real long-term reward isn't just selling hardware. It's being embedded at the core of dozens of future-defining companies. And what does Nvidia get out of all this? For one, it gains real-time insight into what's coming next. Their portfolio companies are their eyes and ears. It also forges deep partnerships, meaning Nvidia can help shape, optimize, and scale new products on its own platforms, like CUDA or H100 chips. If the future of AI is a high-stakes chessboard, Nvidia is trying to control as many pieces as possible. They aren't just playing, they're designing the board. In construction, we see how this leads to operational efficiency. When Nvidia's chips and the startups they fund optimize logistics, your ROI skyrockets. In engineering, this means faster simulations and safer designs. These $40 billion are directly accelerating the tools that build our world. But it's not just money and deals. This aggressive investing gives Nvidia a strategic edge in negotiating over standards, interoperability, and pricing. By being an investor, they ensure that the future of AI is built on their standards. They are making themselves indispensable to the entire tech stack. But Nvidia knows that the real long-term reward isn't just selling hardware. It's being embedded at the core of dozens of future-defining companies. So, what does all this mean for the rest of us? For businesses, it means the AI wave isn't even close to cresting. It's just getting started. Tools will get faster, smarter, and more deeply integrated. If you're a founder or developer, expect more access to powerful hardware and faster leaps forward. For everyday users, it means voice assistants and bots will keep getting smarter and more helpful. The technology will feel more natural, and yes, maybe a bit uncanny. All of this together is why Nvidia is willing to spend $40 billion. They're not just investing in companies, they're investing in the future of interaction. We often discuss change management with our clients. This scale of investment means the change is coming faster than most are prepared for. Achieving organizational ROI in this environment requires staying ahead of these trends. You need to know where the power is shifting. Want to hear more about how AI is fundamentally changing entire industries and how your business can ride the wave? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know. In the comments below, where do you think Nvidia should invest its next billion? We'd love to hear your strategic take on this. And don't forget to watch the related video up in the corner. Trust us, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. If you want to talk more about how AI can help your business directly, book a chat with us on our calendar at the link below. The future isn't just being built by Nvidia, it's being built by all of us right now. We'll see you in the next video.